Welcome to the Week in Review. This is Fed Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading. And we're reviewing the week of August 4th to August 8th of 2025. So looking at the biggest event of the week, it's Cisco, the megaweight, the tech titan that has stood the test of time, has been here forever, has pivoted itself to new all-time record highs. Now, looking at the rest of the market, starting with the Forex symbols, the US dollar did gain versus most of the pairs throughout the week. And looking at the indices, yes, the Dow Jones sold off while the NASDAQ pretty much unchanged from week to week. Now looking at commodities, crude oil sold off while we saw gold actually getting to the upside. Now remember last week we had the stock markets coming out with quarterly earning reports, and one of them was Microsoft. Now it gapped up over $50 from $504 to about $552, and that is all gone. That entire gap up has completely sold off. And that's what happened this past week on Microsoft. Now, lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin gets a bounce and is trading about 116, 117K. Now, looking at the upcoming major economic events of this week. So we start out the week on Tuesday, August 12th. From Australia, we have the Bank of Australia has a rate statement, and from the United States we have that CPI core price index number coming out. Now on Wednesday, August 13th, from Australia we have a wage price index. It's a quarterly number coming out, and also corporate earnings for megaweight Cisco. Now Cisco is making those new record highs. Now looking on Thursday, August 14th, from Australia we have an employment change number, and from the United States a producers price index, PPI, that's always followed up by the core price index. And corporate earnings for Applied Materials, one of the largest tech makers, chip makers in the world. And lastly, on Friday, August 15th, we have retail sales from the United States and also a preliminary U of M consumer sentiment number coming out. So that's it on the Week in Review. We'll see you here next week, everybody. Have a good weekend.
My advice, this is the best time to trade.